Welcome back, my good citizens. Now that we have studied Pebble Go and we got our supplies ready, journal, crayon, pencil, what are we doing? Our instructions tell us to watch this teacher video, to draw and color 2 goods or 2 services. But then we have to choose just one to buy and write to explain why you chose it. Remember, our money is scarce. We don't have enough, so we can't buy everything we want. Right now, we're going to draw 2 things, but only pick one to buy with our money. Everybody, open up your journal, and let's get started. We need a new clean page. And don't forget, we have to use both sides of the paper. So, you can go to a back side, and it works just great. On our new clean page, we always begin with the date. 5/18/2021. Now that we have the date, we're ready to partition our paper. How many things are we drawing today? 2. So we're going to need halves. Ready to partition in half? On your mark. Get set. Down the middle we go. 1 and 2. Do you have your paper in halves? Bravo. Now you have to decide here. Are you going to draw 2 goods or 2 services? Good 1, good 2, or service 1, service 2? Everyone has to draw 2 things, and it needs to be 2 things that you want or you need. I am going to show 2 services that I need. I'm doing some quick pictures, but I'll go back and add some more details later with my color. And here I'm going to show, I need a haircut. Here's some scissors. And I need to cut that hair. It's messy. On my other side, I need my nails painted. I'm going to draw a hand. I'm going to draw the fingernail polish bottle. And here's me with my sad, broken, chipped nails. These are 2 services that I need. Don't copy mine. You might draw 2 goods or 2 services you need. Maybe you want a basketball and a soccer ball. Maybe you want an apple and a banana. Maybe you need to wash the car and clean your room. 2 goods or 2 services. After you have 2, you have to pick just one. Which one do I want or need more? My haircut or my nails painted? This haircut. I can paint my nails, but I can't cut my hair. So I'm going to show which one I pick with a big circle. I'm not going to X that one because I want my teacher to still see my pretty picture. I circle the one I'm choosing. But now I need to write. You can pick up your pencil and start your sentence with me. I'm going to use my first open line and begin with a capital letter, I. You will write about yourself, so you can start with the letter I too. I, finger space, chose. I chose. I chose blank because. Next word, give me because. Ah, A-U says ah, silent E. I chose blank because blank. Now don't fill in what I write because you have to pick your own goods or your own services and then choose your own. But I chose to get my hair cut. Because why? I chose to get a hair cut because my hair is too long and I can paint my own nails. Now I'm going to finish my sentence, and what do I have to put on the end of my sentence? Ding dong, give me a period. I'm going to read to make sure it sounds good and I have all the words I need to explain. I chose to get a haircut because my hair is too long and I can paint my own nails. Now I told you why I need this, and I told you why I didn't choose this. I can do this. I can't do this. And I need this. I have 2 pictures. I'm going to add lots and lots of color. And I'm going to make sure I have a capital letter I and a period on the end. Now it's your time to think. What do you need or what do you want? 2 goods that you can touch or use, apples, bananas, or 2 services, like I got 2 jobs done for myself. You can do goods or services. You have to show 2, but you only have money for 1. Give me 2 pictures, but give me a big circle on the one you choose. Everyone's starting with I chose blank because blank. Capital letter and period. When you have 2 great pictures, 1 big circle, a beautiful sentence, it's photo time. Take a picture and send it to me on Google Classroom. I can't wait to see what decision you make with your money. I'll see you tomorrow, my good citizens.